Alright, so today the Accord is getting a bunch of dumb parts that probably shouldn't go on the car, but I'm going to go ahead and do them anyways. We're going to start off with something really simple, and then we're just going to get crazy with it, so let's just go ahead and get into it.
Alright, so the interior was in really bad shape when I bought the car. The dash was a hideous color, the seats were all torn up, so I'm going to take it all apart and clean this interior up. Thankfully, I do have a replacement seat that I'm going to put in. I mean, just look at how ugly that brown dash is. Alright, so I've spent about an hour and a half cleaning out the interior and getting some things painted on it, and it looks a whole lot better. So I swapped the seat out, cleaned up the dash a lot, door panels are clean, painted some of the panels on it. So this car came with no radio, and after further inspection, it came with no speakers either, which kind of sucks. But I'm gonna put some new speakers in it today, and tomorrow I'm getting a radio harness, and I'm gonna put a new radio in here. Driver's side's done. Let's move on to the passenger. So I got the radio I'm gonna install. It's just a little Pioneer doubled in. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, I have these bad boys that are going on there. These are glowing brake and gas pedal. It is super ricey for the 90s. All right, so the pedals are on. When I turn the headlights on, dang. So to match those stupid glowing pedals, I got this neon shift knob. This thing's ridiculous. So stupid. I've got this thing back up in the air, and I'm gonna do only period correct mods to it. So the next thing we're gonna do to it, oh yeah, an underbody kit. These are not LEDs, these are actual neon tubes. Oh yeah, this thing's getting real neon lights. I actually bought these things on eBay a few years ago. They've just been sitting in storage, but now I finally have a car to put them on. This is the first 36-inch tube that's gonna be slapped on the front of this bad boy. So I was able to get the front and the passenger side all put together. Can't seem to get the rear installed because the mufflers are too close together. The neon tube hits, it's about this long. Comes out to about here, so I'm gonna have to get individual pieces that fit right here, right there. Not a big deal. So let's go ahead and knock out the driver's side and wire it all up. All right guys, like I said, this thing is only getting period correct parts on it, so look at that.
Ryan, let's
So I got something in the mail today, and I know it's gonna hurt a couple feelings. Let me go ahead and show you what it is. Big brake kit. Or is it? Yeah, these are actually just caliper covers. Huge rice points on this one. That's gonna really piss some people off. In case you guys were wondering, this is a real multi-piece wheel. You can see that it's actually able to unbolt the face from the barrel. I'm not sure what kind of wheels these are. They are like ridiculous wheels for a Honda Accord, but that's what we're going for. First I hit the caliper with some metallic paint. Then I'm gonna spray it with this metallic blue color. Y'all, this is probably the dumbest thing I've ever done, but it's so funny. Look at this. Oh man. This is the before, after. I hope none of y'all copy me on this because this is such a bad idea. This is just literally a joke.
Ryan, let's
So yeah, that's it for episode 2. Starting to come along. Hopefully next time I'm gonna take it to a car meet and get people's reactions on this thing. So yeah, leave a comment, subscribe, like the video. See you next time.